Welcome to MSU MSET, where innovation and tradition meet to shape the leaders of tomorrow. Our secondary department building is the heart of academic excellence, featuring modern classrooms and cutting-edge technology designed to foster student success. The ISL building stands as a beacon of innovation, offering specialized resources and a collaborative environment for our students to excel in their chosen fields. EIM NC2 Lab provides hands-on training with industry-standard equipment, preparing students for real-world challenges and opportunities. At the campus nursery, we lay the foundation for lifelong learning and growth, ensuring our youngest learners start their educational journey in a nurturing environment. Over here, we have our dental clinic. With our state-of-the-art dental clinic, we prioritize the health and well-being of our students, providing top-notch care right here on campus. Our audio-visual room is equipped with the latest technology, enhancing the learning experience with multimedia tools that bring education to life. The Garment Technology Building is a hub of creativity and technical skill, where students design and create with the latest tools and techniques in the fashion industry. Let's help MSU Maigo clean and green. Over here, we have our medical health services. It ensures that all students have access to comprehensive healthcare and support, promoting a healthy and balanced student life. The junior high school building offers a dynamic and supportive environment for young minds to explore, grow, and prepare for their future academic journeys. Finally, our campus gymnasium provides a space for physical fitness and team sports, encouraging students to stay active and engage in a healthy lifestyle. The school also has its own tennis court. Over here, we have the college department building. We welcome you, the InnoBand. MSU MSET Technical Vocational Education and Training Hub. Over here, we have the campus registrar and the academic building. Now, Let's hear from one of our students in MSU MSAT on what she thinks about MSU MSAT as a grade 7 student. As a grade 7 student, what do you think about MSU MSAT?
For me, I think that being new at MSU MSAT feels great. I am also honored to be a new student at MSU MSAT. I'm also thankful to God for giving me the opportunity to study at MSU MSAT.
We love MSU Maigo. The school also has its own campus tambayan. Over here we have the MSU MSAT Sports Development Center, the Oval, and the Grandstand. Here at MSU MSAT, we are committed to providing an exceptional educational experience with unparalleled facilities and a supportive community. Join us and be a part of our vibrant future. Let us celebrate Tibuan ng Wika 2024.
Habang lupa'y umaawi. Hey!